Hi everyone, welcome to another property showcase from PropertyCozy.com. I am Tavia and I will be your property guide for today. Please remember to like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when a new property is available. Let's get into it. We have for you a lovely 5-bedroom, 6 bathrooms townhouse for sale located in Dillsbury Avenue, Kingston 6, Jamaica. This home is 5,100 square feet and it features 24-hour security, backup water supply, swimming pool, double car garage, walk-in closet, water tank, water heater, ceiling fans, jacuzzi, central location, landscaped, quiet area, ceramic tiling, and mountain views. The current price for this house is US 850,000 or Jamaican $133 million. This home is a must see. So let's take a look at this home. Please leave a comment and let us know your thoughts below.
Tell me what you want, what you need. Tell me what you want, what you need. Tell me what you want, what you need. Tell me what you want, what you need.
I grew up in a place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race. Every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave, had to find a way to change, had to leave to find my way. Caught up in a daydream, I beat my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want in this place, see. Cause everybody wanna tell you bad things, what could go wrong, what fame brings. But success is a finicky thing, and if you ain't sure, no, it'll never be. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. Run away, I don't have to plan it. I can go, change my fate, you won't understand it. All alone, that's okay, people I can't stand them. They don't want me to change, keep me where I'm standing. And I don't wanna be where I am, and I want something more, take a chance. It could be possibly my last dance, my last dance. And I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down.
Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Also, for more details on this property, please visit the description area below. I am Tavia and I was your property guide for today. Until next time, put God first and keep safe.